Qu'est-ce que je fais quand je rencontre un mot que je ne connais pas? What do we do when we come across a word while we're reading that we don't know? That's what today's lesson is going to focus on. One of the strategies is je cherche les sons que je connais. I'm going to search for those sounds that I know. This leads us to one of the challenges of reading in French, which is knowing those complex sounds. There are several ways of tackling this strategy when reading with students, so I'm just going to show you a couple of strategies that I use in the classroom. So the first one is sometimes we just choose one complex sound, like A, U, O, comme autobus, and we search the text for that specific sound, and we highlight it. So I'm going to go through the text with the students, and I'll say, okay, highlight every A, U, O that you see. So go through. Oh, there's one. Est-ce qu'il y a des autres? Oh, voilà un. Ok, maintenant je peux lire les deux mots. Now I can read these two words. I know that AU says O, animo, O-C, O-C. Okay, and we can do that with a couple of different sounds, especially if we're dealing with a short text. So I could choose U. I'd pick a different color of highlighter, and I'd look for O-U, U, comme mouton. So let's go through the text, see if there's any U. Oh, voilà un. Here's one. T, U, two. Any more? Oh, here's one more. Voilà un autre. O-U. Trouver. Trouver. Oh, un autre. Fourmi. Fourmi. Oh, voilà un autre, c'est le même mot. Ou, trouver, trouver, le même mot. Another way to tackle this strategy is just to start reading through the text, and once you get stuck on a word, then see if there's a sound that you know. So let's start from the beginning and see what happens. Regarde. Here each letter makes its own sound, no complex sounds. La jungle. Oh, that word sounds weird. I've never heard of jungle before. Oh, I see now after I take a second look at it that there's a complex sound that I know in there. It's Now I can try reading it again, knowing that this is So now we've got jungle. Oh, well, I've heard of jungle before. It's a jungle. Great, let's keep going. Perux. Oh, I've never heard that word before either. Oh, there's a complicated sound that I know. U. U fait comme de. So now I've got pe with my ghost, with the fantôme. I don't say it. Peux-tu voler? Oh, I'm looking for a tricky sound again. I recognize it. O-E says wa. I've got v, wa, r, voir. So now I think you get the idea. So depending on how confident the student is with their complex sounds, I might just start reading and hope that they recognize the complex sound after they've tried one time and it doesn't make sense. I could also, using this strategy, have my cards lying around for hints. And if you don't have these cards at home, the student could make these or make them on a sheet. They could divide a sheet up into 8 squares, and just write the sound and a picture and keep it as a cheat sheet for when they're reading. If complex sounds are really hard for the student, then I would just focus on one sound and I would just look for that one sound and make sure that they found the sound and that they could at least read those sounds and those words with that sound in the text. Even if I didn't expect them to be able to read the whole thing, I would focus on the one sound and then keep just building on that. Les sons complexes. En, dans. En, pantalon. Au, autobus. Et, manger. On, garçon. Ou, mouton. De. Est, neige. Au, gâteau. Un. Est, comme maison. Un lapin.